Hi, this is the last video about assembling my original Prusa iframe MK3S. In this part I will just do the ninth and final chapter of assembly manual called Preflight check. First I need to move manually extruder to home position. Then move extruder to the right and adjust the Z position by rotating Z motor screws. Then move to the center and adjust the PINDA sensor using any of the zip tie. In my case, calibration did not work. My nozzle kept on dragging the sheet of paper. The next day, after searching on the web, I've just lowered the PINDA probe using a filler instead of a zip tie. Afterward, everything went smoothly. And that's it. I've successfully assembled my printer in 10 hours and 20 minutes. In the next video of the series, I will make a quick summary of assembly and a review of the printer. When it will be ready, it should appear right here on the screen. In the meantime, you can watch my other cool video.